Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. This is pcj.com, one of dummy websites which I have, and you can see that it has more than 6,000 content published within it. Also, I have also checked for the page speed inside. You will notice the desktop score is 83, the mobile is 18. Also inside the GT matrix, you will notice that 77 and the grade, GT matrix grade is B, and everything else, as you can see, it is not quite good enough. So let's go ahead and test something out. I recently have found out, even though you can notice that I have already installed these Lightspeed cache, which I think it is not helping quite a lot. So I found a new plugin which is based on AI tools, and it is optimizing the website based on the AI. So let's go ahead and install the 10 web booster website speed optimization. You have to simply install now and activate it inside your website. So let's check out the result, whether it's going to work or not. And you do have to keep in mind that uh, you must activate it, you must create an account inside of it too. So simply select sign up and connect, and wait a moment. Okay, for the moment I will just go ahead, since it is a test, I will just go ahead and use one of these emails that I have. For instance, these email which the website I have sold into zoom.com, I no longer have that. Okay, how about 11 up to 20, which, okay, wait a moment please. Okay, as you can see, at the moment it is analyzing the current score. Okay, at the moment it is optimizing the front end. Okay, right now it is checking the new score for the website which it has optimized the website. So we'll have to wait a while and it will be done in a moment. Okay, now the new scores are here. So you can see that for mobile it is 93 and for desktop it is 100. So let's go ahead and check it out inside GT Metrics and the Google page speed inside. Let's, yeah, just go ahead and analyze and paste the same email that I have. Let's go ahead and it's going to take a while. I think overall it's going to boost the speed of your computer, your website, quite a lot than using the other page speed plugin that you have on your website. Yeah, it is quite good. 96% on mobile is amazing. And then inside desktop, you will notice that it is 99% using inside the Google page speed inside. That is quite amazing. Okay, everything is good to go, even though it is a cloud hosting that this website is hosted there. So this is 100% inside the GT matrix. So this is quite the number. As you can see, you must install it inside your computer. Also, if you do have a question in mind, do keep in mind that if you have already another cache plugin available, install inside your computer. Do not do anything with that. Just install the plugin and then activate it, and then wait for it to analyze. However, if the speed did not increase, just go ahead and remove the old plugin that you have installed inside your WordPress website, delete that, or deactivate it and then try it once again. They'll notice the difference, whether how much the difference you'll notice between them. So I hope you got the idea what do I mean by these. Have a nice day, goodbye, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.